Don't get a curly wig if you do not know how to maintain it. At least that's what my friends told me before I got this wig. In this video, I'm going to be showing a step-by-step way to maintain your curly wig. But first, I'm going to show you some basic tools you need to maintain your curly wigs. I know they look a lot, but trust me, it's not a lot. You want the curly wig, you have to maintain it. This is the TRESemme conditioner. You can use any conditioner of choice. You're going to be needing this, a spray bottle.
You're also going to be needing this to define the coils.
And this is just to keep your wig all shiny. You need a wide comb, claw clip, or a rubber band just to hold the hair. In your spray bottle with water and put a few drops of your conditioner in the spray bottle. Shake. I also like to add this with the mixture. Now I'm just going to pack my hair in sections. This is actually a frontal wig. Not install it. I just want to get the coil. This wig is so full. This wig is so full. I got it on Instagram from Grace Hairline. I must look like a crazy person right now. Step by step. This is going to be a layer by layer moisturizing. So you're going to start your combing from the tip, gently from the tip to top. So tip to top. Sometimes curly wigs tend to be so intimidating because I mean, see how full it is. You'll be so intimidated, like, when am I going to finish coiling all of this? But you can do this while watching a movie, listening to your favorite songs, just so you don't feel it. You can see for yourself that the difference is clear, how it looks now and how it looks when it was dried. So let's do this. Shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need a
tell them other niggas he's off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I see your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls. Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love you.
And when I did see you, you treat me like shit because I'm just some girl who doesn't know what she wants. And you have a path, and you're going to be great, and I'm going to be forgotten. And therefore, you won't be able to give me the time of day because you have bigger things to pursue.
That's exactly my point.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
So yes, I'm done with the deep moisturizing. Right now it looks totally different because it's wet, and you know, this hair, when it's wet it gets smaller, but when it's dried it gets bigger, especially when you comb it. So I'm just trying to brush the hair back because I am not styling it now. I'm going to apply very little of this oil just because I want it to shine when the hair is dry. I love the scent of this oil. It's so nice. About maintaining your curly wig is when it's wet you should not blow dry. Do not use that electric stuff to blow dry your wig. Let it dry with natural breeze, right? So don't apply any heat, like hot heat or hot air or anything. So in my next video I'm going to be doing a step-by-step installation of this wig, and I'm also going to be styling it. So in order not to miss, subscribe to my channel. Do not put your wet wig in a Ziploc bag because it's going to smell so badly, right? This is the amount of hair that got shredded in the maintenance of this wig. So while you're doing your own, don't be scared when you see your strands falling out. So that's the end of this video. Okay, bye for now.